Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Mutant Mail. Mutant Mail is a solution of single inbox for all of your email IDs. Let's say you have 5 domains and for each domain you have 5 email IDs. That means you have total 25 email IDs. So you need to manage these 25 email IDs from 25 different dashboard, right? But if you use this Mutant Mail, guys, then you can manage all of your email IDs from one single dashboard. That will increase your productivity, that will save your time, that will organize your life. So this is the full idea behind this Mutant Mail tool. And if you see the lifetime deal pricing of this Mutant Mail, it's only 59.99 USD for one code, but you can stack more code from here. And see here, in one code you can have 10 allowed domains, 50 email IDs, 15 recipient email IDs, option to disable catch-all, priority email queue, 5 GB monthly bandwidth, view failed deliveries, and configure rules. That means you can configure different rules, and according to these rules you can get your emails in different inbox in different way. I will show this configuration after some time, guys. See, if you stack more code, then you will get more features basically here, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just to go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Mutant Mail lifetime deal. And see, it has gotten 56 reviews on AppSumo, and the reviews are almost 5-star here. So I think the tool is good. But here one thing I want to clarify, guys: you cannot manage your Gmail emails by using this Mutant Mail tool. You have to have your own domain. That means you can manage the emails whose domain is under your control, but the domain gmail.com is not your, right? So you cannot manage it actually. So the thing is, you can manage only the email IDs who have been created by using your own domain. You cannot manage your Gmail accounts or Gmail email addresses by using this Mutant Mail tool, guys. These are the whole idea, guys. Now, without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Mutant Mail and let's explore how things work here and how it can be helpful for you. See, this is the dashboard of Mutant Mail, and at first here you have to add your domain, and here I have the step-by-step instruction how to do these things. So let me add one domain here. Just click here, add domain, and here see they are giving here instruction what you have to do. In my case, I will use one domain here, guys, and the domain is here spacetraveler.com. Let's say this is my domain. See, I hope you can see spacetraveler.com. To add the domain, in case of Namecheap, I will go to this manage option. But if you use here different domain provider, guys, then the process may vary, but the concept is you have to go to your DNS setting. See, this is the DNS setting of Namecheap. But in your case, if you use different domain provider, then just enter to your domain provider dashboard basically, or DNS dashboard. So these are the things. And then here, in case of Namecheap, in the domain section, from here I have to select here Namecheap basic DNS. Okay, let me set it up. And then if I go to this advanced DNS now, then I will get the option to add new record. So we have to click here on this add new record, and then we have to copy and paste this thing. See, here we have to add at first txt type @host, and then we have to insert this value. Let me copy this value from here, and then here I will add txt. See, here is txt, and here I will add and here I will add the value, and then just tick mark it. And then again here we have to set up mx type, and host will be @ and the value will be this one. Let me copy this value, and then here I will click on this add new record. Here I will select mx. Let me find here mx. So here directly we are not getting any mx record, guys. So how can we get? See, there have mail setting. We have to use here maybe our custom mx option. See, if I select here custom mx, then we will get here one mx record. See, here is the mx record. So mx record will have to bring in this way. We will not get mx record in this new record section. Here mx record is not available, guys. You have to select here custom mx, and then here you will get this mx record. So these are the things, guys. Now what we have to do in this mx record, we have to add at the rate in host, and we have to add this value in the value section. So here let me give at the rate, value will be this one, and priority let's say 10, and then just set up these things. Select here save all changes, then it will be saved. So these are the things. After that, let me go to Mutant Mail again. See, we have to add another MX record, and we have to set this value. Let me copy this value, and then here see have add new record. Just click here add new record. Here another MX record will be added. Here give at the rate. Here insert the value, set the priority 10, and then tick mark. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea. And then there we have to add another txt record. At the rate will be the host, and the value will be this one. Let me copy this value, and then we have to scroll up, and here we have to select txt. Let me check it again. Txt, yes, we have to select here txt, guys. So let me select txt here, and then at the rate, and then the value, and then tick mark here. Okay, it has been done. After that, we have to go to again Mutant Mail. We have to select here cname, and in the host section we have to give this default dot underscore domain key, and in the value section we have to give this value. So let me copy this all things here, and then let me go to the DNS section again. Click here on this add new record, and then here select cname. Let me find cname, and here in the host section we have to give this default dot domain key, and in the target section we have to insert this value, and then tick here. Again we need to do another thing, guys. So here we have to add another txt record, and then let me copy this host, let me copy this value, and then go to your DNS section. Here add txt. Let me find it again. Yes, txt. Let me add one text record. Here let me insert underscore DMARC, and then let me insert the value, and we have done, I think. So these are the process. It's a little bit lengthy process, but these are the things. After that, here we have to give the domain URL. So here let me type space travelo.com in my case, and then we have to here validate the domain. Let me validate, and see it has been validated, and it has not take 2 or 3 minutes also. It's just instant verification. That's really great, guys. So in this way you have to add your domain on Mutant Mail, guys. I hope you get idea, guys. In your case, if you are not using Namecheap, if you use any another domain provider, don't worry, just go to your DNS setting, and then you will get the same settings, and from here you can add your domain, and you can verify your domain. So these are the things. We have been verified this spacetraveler.com domain. I hope you get idea, guys. Now we will create email ID. So if I go to this email IDs, here we have to create the email ID. See, by default you will get this email ID, but this is not our domain, right? So we will not use this domain. We will create our own email ID. Just click here create email ID. Here select your domain. So this is our main domain, and by default these two domain will be given, but our main domain that we have been added right now is this one. And here email ID format, render character, render words, and choose yourself. Here let's say I will give here render character, and then here recipient address. Here recipient address is this one, contact Orun at the rate of contact.passivern.com. I will show you guys how you can set up more recipient email. That means from which email you want to control this email that you are creating right now. These are the things, guys. So, and you can add here multiple recipient email. I'll show you after some time how you can do these things. Let me create the email ID here. So see, this is one email ID that has been created. And here I'm getting this random name. See, this is random name, but let's say I do not want to use this random name or random text here. So what can I do? Let me create another email here, and then let me select this domain, and here if I select choose yourself, and then here if I enter something by myself, let's say Passivern, and then here if I select the recipient email, this one, and then if I create the email ID, then see Passivern at the rate of spacetraveler.com, and it's completely professional email. Let's say you want to create one email like support at the rate yourdomain.com. You can do it. Let me create another one. Just click here, create email ID, select your domain, choose yourself, and then here give the port support, and then here select the recipient email ID and then create email. See, support at the rate of spacetraveler.com has been created. I hope you get idea, guys, how you can create here your email address, and you have to use your own domain. I'm talking about this again and again. You cannot control your Gmail accounts by using this Mutant Mail because you don't have access of gmail.com, right? So how can we add this domain by using these records if you don't have the access of the DNS setting? So these are the things, guys. In this way, you have to add your domain and then you have to add your email IDs. After that, they have control IDs. So if I go to this control IDs, here you have to set up your control email basically. That means from which email you want to control your email IDs that you will create on this Mutant Mail. See, I have added here oron at the contact.passivern.com. You can add more email ID. Just click here, add control, and then here insert your email ID, and then your control email ID will get one confirmation email. If you just click on this link, then it will be verified, and all the emails that you have gotten on these email IDs that you will create here, you will get the emails on this control IDs inbox basically. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. After that, they have rules. If I go to this rules section, here you can create different rules. Let me add some rule here. Just click here, add new rule, and then let's say the rule is test, and then condition is if the sender, let's say, is not okay, let's say ends with, if the sender ends with at the rate of gmail.com, that means all the mail who will come from gmail.com, I want to do them something. That's why I will select here, if the sender ends with at the rate gmail.com. Let me insert. You can here add more, let's say at the rate yahoo.com. Then what will happen? You can add more condition here if you want. See, here you can select and or if you want, but let's say I'll keep it simple. I'm adding only this condition, and then what will happen? Here you have to select it in the action section. So then let's say here have replace the subject with, replace the from name with, turn PGP encryption mode, then move info banner location to block the email. So you can block the email also. Also there have option for replace the subject with, let's say, thanks for your email. You can add more condition here. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. And then run rules on forward, then simple forward, replies, sends. You can add these things. Let's say I want to run this rule only for replies and sends, and then if I just create the rule, then this rule will be added and it's activated. Now you can edit these rules, you can delete the rule from here, and then your emails will perform according to these rules. You can add as many rule you want to add basically from here. After that, they have DMARC report. Here you can here basically set up your DMARC report, and this DMARC report means domain based message authentication reporting and conformance, and it's very important in case of email marketing, guys. And here, see, they're saying that it doesn't look like you have any DMARC report yet. You can enable DMARC report for any domain associated with Mutant Mail. To activate DMARC report on any associated domain, modify your underscore DMARC to include this one. Okay, in this way, we have to add the DMARC report basically from our DNS setting. And let me copy this code from here, and then if I go to my DNS setting again, and here, see, we have to replace this underscore DMARC by this one. They are saying, but it's not working here. I'm not sure why. Let me go to here. Okay, if I enable these things here, if I enter these things here, it's not working. I'm not sure why, guys, but they're saying these things. And in this way here, basically, you can add DMARC report, they are saying, but maybe I'm not doing it in right way. In your case, what you have to do, you have to just contact to their support, then definitely you will get help to enable the DMARC report. I hope you get idea, guys. After that, the next feature that I want to show you guys, this failure. If any of your email fail to reach to the recipient inbox, then you will get all the emails here basically. And here you can add blacklisted email also. See, these things are blacklisted, and if you want, you can add more blacklisted email here. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea about this Mutant Mail tool, guys. And the concept is very easy. You can manage your multiple email inbox by using this Mutant Mail dashboard. It's very easy to use, and the setup process is also easy, and it will help you in case of your email productivity, guys. And if you think, guys, you need this type of tool, then you can get this Mutant Mail lifetime deal from AppSumo. They're running their lifetime deal, and the tool is very stable tool. The founder is very helpful and very positive about this tool. So I think you can get this tool if you think you need this type of tool, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Mutant Mail lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, as if you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I will get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.